Are you tired of those nagging lower back pains? Are you yearning for relief right from the comfort of your home? Lower back pain is more than a discomfort. It can affect your productivity, your mobility, and your quality of life. Today, we're diving into 17 home remedies for lower back pain, plus a bonus you won't want to miss. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this journey to a pain-free life. 1. Heat and cold therapy. Did you know that one of the simplest remedies for lower back pain could be sitting in your freezer or kitchen cabinet? Heat and cold therapies have been used for centuries to reduce pain and inflammation. Cold therapy slows blood flow, reducing inflammation and acting as a local anesthetic. Heat therapy, on the other hand, stimulates blood flow, bringing nutrients to the affected area and aiding healing. 2. Stretching. Have you ever wondered why cats stretch so much? Stretching increases blood flow, improves mobility, and can significantly alleviate lower back pain. Gentle yoga or daily stretching exercises can make a world of difference. 3. Maintain good posture. Poor posture, especially when sitting for extended periods, can strain the lower back and lead to chronic pain. Incorporating good posture into your daily routine can not only alleviate existing pain, but also prevent future episodes. 4. Over-the-counter pain relievers. Though not a permanent solution, over-the-counter pain relievers can provide temporary relief for lower back pain. They work by reducing inflammation around the affected area, providing short-term comfort. 5. Massage. Not only does a massage feel great, but it can also provide substantial relief for lower back pain. Regular massages can reduce stiffness, improve blood flow, and alleviate pain. 6. Stay active. While resting might seem like the best thing to do when you have lower back pain, staying active can actually help. Gentle activities like walking can improve blood flow and speed up the healing process. 7. Sleep right. You might not have considered your sleeping habits as a potential cause for your back pain, but the position in which you sleep and the quality of your mattress and pillows can significantly affect your spine's health. 8. Mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation can help manage not only the physical pain, but also the emotional frustrations that often accompany chronic back pain. Training your mind to focus away from pain can significantly reduce its perception. 9. Maintain a healthy weight. Carrying extra weight, particularly around the midsection, can shift your body's center of gravity and strain the lower back. Maintaining a healthy weight can alleviate this strain and prevent back pain. 10. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated keeps the soft tissues in your back flexible and reduces the risk of disc problems. A well-hydrated body ensures optimal function of all bodily systems, including the back. 11. Physical therapy. Though it requires a professional's guidance, physical therapy is a powerful tool in managing and preventing lower back pain. A physical therapist can provide you with a personalized exercise routine to strengthen your back and core muscles. 12. Quit smoking. Smoking reduces blood flow to your lower spine, causing the spinal discs to degenerate. Quitting smoking can improve your overall health and, importantly, reduce back pain. 13. Acupuncture. This ancient Chinese medicine technique has been shown to be effective in treating chronic lower back pain. It involves inserting thin needles into specific points on your body to restore energy flow. 14. Healthy diet. A healthy diet can help maintain a healthy weight, reducing strain on your back. Some foods, like those rich in anti-inflammatory properties, can also help reduce back pain. 15. Over-the-counter topical creams. Topical creams and ointments with ingredients like capsaicin, camphor, or menthol can provide localized relief for lower back pain. While they might not cure the underlying issue, they can offer short-term comfort. 16. Wear comfortable shoes. Wearing the wrong shoes can cause imbalance and lead to lower back pain. Comfortable, well-fitted shoes with good arch support can improve your posture and reduce strain on the back. 17. Stress management. Stress can increase the perception of pain. Learning stress management techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, and guided imagery can help you manage your lower back pain more effectively. 18. Try herbal remedies. Certain herbal remedies like devil's claw, willow bark, and lavender oil have shown promise in reducing lower back pain. Remember, it's important to consult your healthcare provider before starting any new treatment. Potential drawbacks. While these home remedies can provide relief, it's important to remember they are not cures. Persistent or worsening lower back pain should always be evaluated by a healthcare professional to rule out serious conditions. In some cases, these treatments might not be suitable for everyone. For example, certain medications might not be recommended for those with specific health conditions, and some herbal remedies can interact with other medicines. And there you have it, 17 incredible home remedies for lower back pain, plus a fantastic bonus tip. By incorporating these methods into your routine, you could unlock the door to a pain-free life. Remember, it's always important to consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new treatments. What are your experiences with these remedies? Do you have any others to add? Leave a comment sharing your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Here's to a healthier, happier you, and we'll see you in the next video.